Alright, what's going on, guys? Dan Lex here again with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be letting you guys hear what my exhaust sounds like, because I know you guys see, if you follow my Instagram, I always post pictures and you always see my exhaust in the picture, and a lot of you guys like the way it looks, and I'm pretty sure you guys would like to hear how it sounds as well, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in this quick video. Alright guys, so this is what my exhaust looks like if you haven't seen it before. In these clips, this is my exhaust. I have a pretty basic exhaust actually. My exhaust is it's pretty stock up until you hit the muffler. I don't really have anything that much done to it. I still have my cats, but basically I have a MagnaFlow muffler, and I just got a dual burnt tip exhaust set up because the previous owner who had the car had a fat potato cannon on the back, so he cut up the bumper to make it fit, and I had to fill up the space with dual tip. I would have gotten single tip, but I'm fine with dual tip as well. Alright guys, so we're at the back of the car now, and this is what my exhaust looks like, and I'm basically going to be showing you guys what the car sounds like from different angles, me probably going by and stuff like that. The car is already warm, so it's not going to be a cold start. I had to bring the car out somewhere to do this where I won't be disturbing anyone, because the car is kind of loud. But I hope you guys enjoy hearing the car and seeing what it sounds like. Okay guys, now I'm gonna let you guys hear what my car sounds like from the inside of the car. Alright guys, I know the camera's a little shaky because I don't really have anything to stabilize it in the car, but I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe, and it'll be a great help. It'll motivate me to keep making more and more videos for you guys. But I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later in the next one. I can't stay.